What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and today's video is all about creating attraction with someone. Maybe someone new, someone that you just met, someone that you're maybe a little embarrassed or nervous to talk to. That's why today I'm giving you 5 subtle signs, but that make a really good point and create attraction. With these 5 simple subtle signs, you can create attraction with anyone. So take note of them and put them into work. Starting with number 1 is smile. Man, smile. You know, so many guys overlook a smile because they think that it's not manly, it's not masculine, it's not strong, it's not seductive. Well, that's not true. A smile is the most human way to create attraction. Think about it. You see someone kind of far, you barely see their faces, right? And they smile. What do? Smile back, right? All of a sudden there's attraction there. It might not be sexual or physical attraction, but there's definitely some type of friendship, some type of bond that is created, right? And I think a smile is extremely important. So when you're talking to someone, it's almost like a welcome sign when you smile at someone, right? Most people decide if they'll talk to you based on the expression of your face. If you have a frown on, no one's gonna talk to you, dude. No one's gonna come near you because you're having a bad day, and I want none of it. I don't want that negativity. I have my own stuff happening. I want somebody who's gonna make me feel good, somebody who has a positive facial expression happening, and a smile doesn't get more positive than that. And if you're feeling extra comfortable, laugh, show some teeth, show that you are confident. Speaking of confidence, combine that smile with a confident posture, by the way, right? So you still look masculine, you still look strong, you still look confident, but you also look confident in your own skin, enough to laugh and smile with your teeth, show that you're happy, and man, I am telling you, that is very attractive. Number 2, something that 100% creates a bond between you and this person that you're talking to, is paying compliments. Real compliments, not fake compliments like, let me think of something to say to make this person feel good about themselves. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you see something that you like and you tell this person, wow, I really like this. It looks good on you. You look amazing for this, that reason, whatever. That's the way to go. If you lie, if you exaggerate, it can come off as you trying really hard to create this attraction, to create this bond. And all of a sudden it's forced. It's too forced and it's not going to work. It's also a great icebreaker, right? When you're talking to someone that you don't know, the first thing that you say, wow, I really like those boots. They look great on you. Where'd you get them? Right? Immediately, you start a conversation off by giving them a compliment. You start a conversation off by asking them a question. You're hitting all the right points, and if this person is a fun, good person, they want to talk to you. They will talk to you and you will have a good time. Number 3, emphasizing your shared value. So we're going a little bit deeper here. This is not about, the way that you look. It's not about your smile. It's not about complimenting someone to make them feel better. It's more about being able to understand who you are, what your values are, and then going a step deeper, being able to communicate those values in a way that creates attraction and creates a bond with someone that hopefully shares that same value. Everyone has different interests, different passions, different ways of spending their time with other people. However, when you find that person and you share same values, it's different. It creates such a deep bond, right? It can actually become something. It can become a great friendship. It can become a great working relationship. It can become a great romantic relationship. When you know your values and when you can communicate them properly, man, it changes the level of conversation that you're going to have with people. It makes it more interesting. It makes it real. And having a real conversation nowadays, guys, it's tough. So if you can do that, props to you. But if you can't do that, then that is why I created the Inner Circle. The Inner Circle is an exclusive community of guys. We have hundreds of guys there right now. You get exclusive videos in the Inner Circle, videos that I would never post here on YouTube because they're much longer, they're more educational. Trust me, these videos are going to set you apart. And they're learning about mindset, communication, style, and success. Those are the 4 things that you will learn in the Inner Circle. And I think one of the most important things is communication, right? Yes, mindset is very important. Having the right mindset is important, but being able to communicate your thoughts, communicate your values, communicate in general, right? I wouldn't be able to do this if I couldn't communicate. I wouldn't be able to make this video right now Communication is so important nowadays. You have to be able to express yourself, and you have to be able to express yourself in a positive manner. So that is why the Inner Circle offers so much. Guys there are learning every single day. We have accountability calls every week so that they can stay accountable and keep each other accountable on their goals. Everyone there is working towards success, and I love it. You know the saying, your network is your net worth? It is very true. You're only as good as the people around you, or you are the average of the five. There's so many sayings that tell you, hey, the people around you define who you are, right? Make sure that you're spending your time with good people who are pushing you, who are motivating you, who are inspiring you. And the people in the Inner Circle, they inspire me, they inspire everyone around them, and that is what it's all about. We have DJs, we have doctors, we have businessmen, we have YouTubers, we have everyone there striving to become better people. And I would love to see you there as well. And we have a new deal that I'm launching right now today, and you can join the Inner Circle for the annual membership for about $16 a month. That's about 50 cents a day, right? Invest into your education, invest into your skills, your social skills, communication skills, your mindset, your style. You're gonna do all of that for about 50 cents a day in the Inner Circle. So go check it out. It's the first link below, and I'll see you guys there. Number 4, displaying positive emotions. This is another sign. You know, this creates that attraction, it creates that bond. No one wants to be around negative Nancy, right? If you're just sitting there, you have a slouch on, right? And you have a frown on. Dude, I'm not gonna come near you. If I was sitting like this, would you come near me? No. It's like, I don't want to, whatever the cloud is around that person, I want to stay far, far away from that cloud because it looks like it's about to rain. There's thunderstorms happening, and I want to stay in my sunny life right over there. Giving off this negative vibe just tends to put off other people. People literally swerve you because this is the bad impression of you. And especially if it's their first impression, remember, the first impression is extremely important. So if you're a negative, if you're saying things that, you know, because you're having a bad day for whatever reason, you're saying things that you wouldn't normally say, watch out for that. Say positive things. Twist it. If you're having a bad day, man, just twist it around. Your happiness can only come from within, right? We know that. I've talked about this before. So you choose to be happy. Choose to be happy, change that around, and show positivity instead of negativity. And all of a sudden, that attraction is going to the next level. It is way better to be with someone who's positive, who's talking about good things that are happening in the world, than to be with someone who's talking about bad things that's happening in the world. There's so many bad things. I don't want to hear about them, right? I want to be happy. I don't want to deal with someone who's having a horrible day. Go figure it out. And number 5, this is a great way to create attraction, is to let the person talk about themselves. You know, oftentimes we're so self-centered that we start talking about ourselves and what we're doing, and sometimes we're even not very confident. We might be a little bit nervous on a first date, and we're like, well, I do this. You know, you're trying to prove yourself. You're trying to show, hey, I am worthy of you. I'm worthy of this date, worthy of this time. But it comes off as just a jerk. It comes off as you just showing off. It's a natural thing when you're nervous, but stop doing that. Let the person talk about themselves. Learn about them, right? That's one of the benefits of letting them talk. You're learning more about them. You can create better questions by knowing a lot more about them. And all of a sudden, there's a really good conversation happening. So avoid talking about yourself too much. You might come off as being a narcissist or just being, you know, a show off. And just ask them questions. Give them the opportunity to talk about themselves, and give yourself the opportunity to learn and know more about them. And listen to what they're saying. Pay attention to what they're saying so that you can come up with really good questions that will help this conversation. Guys, make sure to go check out the Inner Circle. It's the first link below. I would love to have you there. We have a live stream call that I will be on answering all of your questions live on January 5th. So if you join now, you will be part of this call. And I don't do these calls often, so January 5th it's happening. It's not gonna happen after that for a very long time. So make sure that you join now, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.